Replacing windows is one of the most impactful home improvement projects you can undertake. Whether you're upgrading for energy efficiency, curb appeal, or functionality, understanding the window replacement process ensures a smooth and successful experience. For homeowners in Little Rock, where climate and style considerations play a significant role, here's a detailed guide on what to expect during the window replacement process. Initial consultation and assessment. The first step in the window replacement process is a consultation with a professional window company. This stage helps identify your needs, preferences, and the best window options for your Little Rock home. What to expect? A professional will inspect your current windows to assess their condition and measure openings. Discussion about your goals, such as improving energy efficiency, updating aesthetics, or addressing functional issues. Recommendations for window styles, materials, and energy-efficient features tailored to your home and budget. Pro tip: be prepared with questions about material options, warranties, and installation timelines to make an informed decision. Choosing the right windows. Once the assessment is complete, you'll work with your window contractor to select the windows that best suit your home's needs and aesthetic. Considerations during selection. Frame materials. Choose from options like vinyl, fiberglass, wood, or aluminum, depending on durability, maintenance, and design preferences. Energy efficiency. Features like double or triple glazing, low-E coatings, and gas-filled panes reduce energy costs and improve comfort. Style. Options include double-hung, casement, picture, bay, and bow windows, allowing you to enhance both functionality and curb appeal. Your contractor will finalize your choices and order the windows, which may take a few weeks to manufacture if custom options are selected. Preparing for installation day. Before installation begins, it's important to prepare your home to make the process efficient and hassle-free. How to prepare. Clear the area. Remove curtains, blinds, and furniture near the windows to give installers easy access. Protect surroundings. Cover nearby furniture and flooring to prevent dust or debris from settling on them. Plan for noise and disruption. Expect some noise and movement. Arrange for children and pets to stay in another part of the house. By preparing your home, you'll help the installation team work efficiently and minimize inconvenience. Window removal. On installation day, the first step is removing the old windows. This process is handled carefully to avoid damage to your home. What happens? Installers will remove the old frames, glass, and hardware. The window opening will be inspected for structural integrity and cleaned to ensure a proper fit for the new window. Any necessary repairs or adjustments to the opening will be made before the new window is installed. Professional installers take steps to protect your home during this phase, such as laying down drop cloths and cleaning up debris. Installing the new windows. The new windows are installed with precision to ensure functionality, energy efficiency, and aesthetics. Installation steps. The window is carefully placed into the opening, leveled, and secured using fasteners. Weatherproofing materials, like caulking and foam insulation, are applied to seal gaps and prevent air or water infiltration. Hardware, locks, and other functional components are added. Installers will also test the windows to ensure they operate smoothly and meet your expectations. Final inspection and cleanup. Once the windows are installed, the team will inspect their work and tidy up the area, leaving your home clean and ready to enjoy. Inspection checklist. Ensuring the windows are secure, properly sealed, and free of gaps. Confirming smooth operation of sashes, locks, and screens. Reviewing the installation with you to address any concerns or questions. Professional installers prioritize leaving your home in better condition than they found it, ensuring a positive experience. Post-installation tips and maintenance. After the installation, your contractor will provide guidance on how to care for and maintain your new windows. Post-installation advice. Learn how to operate and clean your windows for optimal performance. Review the warranty details and understand the terms for repairs or replacements. Schedule periodic inspections to ensure seals, frames, and glass remain in good condition. Proper care ensures your investment in new windows delivers long-lasting benefits for your Little Rock home. Enjoy the benefits of your new windows. With the window replacement process complete, you can immediately enjoy the benefits of your new windows. Benefits you'll experience. Energy efficiency. Reduced heating and cooling costs with better insulated windows. Improved comfort. Elimination of drafts and consistent indoor temperatures. Enhanced aesthetics. A modern, polished look that boosts curb appeal. Increased home value. An upgrade that adds resale value to your property. New windows not only improve your home's functionality but also make it a more enjoyable and valuable space. Final thoughts. The window replacement process is straightforward when handled by experienced professionals. From the initial consultation to the final inspection, every step is designed to enhance your Little Rock home's beauty, comfort, and energy efficiency. If you're ready to replace your windows, partner with a trusted window professional in Little Rock to ensure a seamless experience. With new windows, you'll enjoy a refreshed home that meets your needs and exceeds your expectations for years to come.